Class 10th, in this video you watch the solution of important question which I discussed in the previous video. The topic was polynomial. Class 10, see the page number 22. The graph is given. The question may be asked that write the polynomial. By observing this straight line, write the polynomial. Straight line means it is intersecting at x-axis at -3/2 0 means this is the linear polynomial. Straight line means linear polynomial and this is intersecting on the one point. So x is -3/2. Okay students, so this will be 2x is equal to -3. So it will be 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. We will not write because we want to show the polynomial. So our polynomial is the 2x plus 3. We don't want to show the equation. So the answer is 2x plus 3. It means that 2x plus 3 is a polynomial showing by this graph. It intersect at -3/2, 0. Come to the page number 23, showing the quadratic polynomial because it is intersecting at 2 points. So it is showing the quadratic polynomial. We have to identify the quadratic polynomial. Which quadratic polynomial is showing by this graph? So zeros, x is equal to -1. So factor will be x plus 1. One more 0, 4. So factor will be x minus 4. So these are the factors. So the quadratic polynomial are x plus 1 into x minus 4. If we multiply this one, we will get the x square minus 3x minus 4. So this is our answer. This is a quadratic polynomial showing by this graph. Now come to the page number 29, 3x square plus 5x minus 2. The question is that find the zeros and verify the relationship. So first of all, we will factorize this. The very simple middle term splitting, first and last, 3 2 just 6. Write the middle term such that the multiply is -6 and addition is 5. So it will be plus 6x minus x. Okay, now make the pair. What is the common here? So it is 3x, x plus 2, and here also x plus 2, and common is -1. So 3x minus 1 and x plus 2 are the factors. Now the required zeros are, how? It is x is equal to 1/3 because 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, and the another x is equal to -2 by button, this is equal to 0. So these are the zeros. Now let us verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So student, zeros we found, I am writing here 1/3 and beta is equal to -2. And if we compare this quadratic polynomial general form, bx plus c, so a will be 3, coefficient of x square, and b coefficient of x is 5, the c constant is -2. So the first relation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta means 1/3 plus -2 is equal to minus b by a. Minus b means -5 upon a is 3. So if we solve 3 to just 6, so it is -5/3 and this is also -5/3. So relation verified. The sum. Now let us verify the product. Product is alpha into beta c upon a. Alpha into beta, zeros are 1/3 into -2. It should be c by a. C means -2 and a is 3. So it is coming 3 -2/3 is equal to -2/3. This is also verified. Now student, come to the optional exercise. First question. First of all, we have to verify whether these are zeros or not. Then we have to verify the relationship. So let us check px. If you represent this by px, it will be 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So let us check the first one. P 1/2 is equal to 2 into 1/2 whole cube plus 1/2 square minus 5 into 1/2 plus 2. So it will be 2 into 1 upon 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Okay student, this will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 means it will be 1 by 2, and subtract this one minus 5 by 2, this one, this is also minus 1 by 2, so it is 0. So we verified that 1 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. Okay student, now let us check the 1. So now we will put the 1 in place of x. So P1 is equal to 2 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. So this is 2 plus 1 minus 5, it is 3 minus 3, 0. So this is also verified, 1 is a 0 of this given polynomial. Now let us check about the minus 2. Now we will put minus 2 in place of x. 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. So it is 8, 8 to the 16 minus 16 plus 4, then 5 to the 10 plus 2. So this is 14, 16 minus 16 plus 16 minus 16 plus 16, it is 0. So this is also verified. All three are the zeros of this polynomial we verified. Now come to the check for relationship. Now let us check the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So first of all, we compare with the general form of polynomial. So a will be 2 coefficient of x cube, b will be 1 coefficient of x square, and c coefficient of x is minus 5, and constant d is equal to 2. And let us assume these zeros are alpha is 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1, and gamma is equal to minus 2. So the first relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So the alpha plus beta plus gamma means 1 by 2 plus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus b by a. Minus b means this is 1 upon a is 2. Let us check by simplification. So this will be 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if we subtract from this, this will also come minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So it is verified. Now let us check the another relation, alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus b by a, then c by a in positive. Minus b by a, that was the first, and second is c by a. Alpha beta means 1 by 2 into 1 plus beta gamma means 1 into minus 2 plus gamma alpha means minus 2 into 1 by 2. It should be c by a. C means minus 5. A is 2. So let us check this one. So this will be 1 upon 2 minus 2, and this 2 will cancel, minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this will be 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So 6 minus 1, this is minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this is also verified. Now let us check the last relation, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a. Alpha means 1 by 2, beta is 1 into gamma is minus 2, it is minus d, d means 2, so minus 2 upon 2. So let us solve this one. 2 will cancel, minus 1, this is also cancel, minus 1. So this is also verified. Now come to the second part, student. This is a polynomial, these are zeros. So let us check first these are zeros or not. So let us assume this given polynomial is x cube, px is equal to x cube plus 5x minus 2. We are assumed that this is denoted by px. So let us check p2, first 0. So in place of x I am putting 2, then 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2. So it will be 8, and this is 4, 4 is 16 plus 10 minus 2. Okay student, so minus 8 minus 8, this is minus 8 plus minus 8 is coming 0. So it is verified, this is a 0. Okay, in the similar way let us check the next 0. Next is 1. So P1 is equal to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. So it is 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2. So it is coming minus 3 plus minus 3, it is 0. So this is also verified. These are the same zeros. So 1 is also verified. So all the 3 zeros verified. These are the zeros of given polynomial. Now let us check the relationship. Now to check the relationship, let us compare with the general form. So a will be 1, coefficient of x cube, b will be minus 4, c will be 5, and d will be minus 2. We are comparing with the ax cube bx square plus cx plus d, general form of cubic polynomial. And let us zeros are denoted by alpha, beta and gamma. So the first relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. So alpha is 2, beta is 1, gamma is 1 is equal to minus of this formula and minus 4. So separately first you show, don't write directly plus 4, upon a is 1. So this is 4, this is also 4. So first relation verified between the coefficient and zeros. Okay student, let us check the next relation is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. The another relation alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. So alpha beta, these are the alpha beta means 2 into 1 plus beta gamma 1 into 1 plus gamma into alpha means 1 into 2. It should be minus b, after minus b by a, c by a. So it will be 2 plus 1 plus 2. It should be c by a. C means 5, a means 1. So 5 upon 1. So 5 is equal to 5. This is also verified. Now let us check the next last relationship between coefficient and zeros, alpha into beta into gamma minus d upon a. So alpha 2, beta 1, gamma 1 is equal to minus d. Minus d means minus of formula and minus of 2 upon 1. So it is coming 2 is equal to 2. This is also verified. Now let us see the second question. Sum of the products at 2 times and the product are given 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. So the general form of cubic polynomial, when you want to represent in the form of alpha beta, it is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha into beta into gamma. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial in terms of alpha, beta and gamma. Okay student, now let us put the values x cube minus, this is sum means 2, it is a given, this is sum x square plus alpha beta beta gamma sum, that is given minus 7 into x minus alpha into beta into gamma, product is given minus 14. Okay student, but be careful, these are given directly the sum and products, and if these are individual zeros, pay attention what I am saying to you. You read the question carefully. If it is given individual zeros, then you have to add, you have to multiply, and you have to multiply. If these are given individually, alpha, beta, gamma. But in this question, directly given the sum of the products and products. Okay, student. So it is x cube minus 2x square. Then this is minus 7x plus 14. So this is the required polynomial answer. Now student, let us solve the very important question of this chapter of optional exercise 2.4. Question third, given is polynomial, these are the zeros, we need to find out the a and b. So student, let us assume this zeros by alpha, beta, gamma. So this first is alpha, this second is this beta, and this is gamma. And also we compare with the general form. So I am not using the small abc because you may be confused in this ab. So a means coefficient of x cube is 1, b means coefficient of x square is minus 3, and c coefficient of x is 1, and d means constant is equal to 1. Now let us see with the alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. So alpha, beta, gamma means a minus b plus a plus b is equal to minus b means minus 3 upon a is 1. So this will be, listen student, b will be cancelled, 3a is equal to 3 minus plus. So a will be 1. The value of a we found, a is equal to 1. Now let us see the last relationship alpha, beta, gamma. That is very useful. In application based question, alpha plus beta gamma and alpha beta gamma product is very useful. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a. So alpha beta into gamma means a minus b into a plus b is equal to minus d by a means minus 1 upon 1. So this will be a square minus b square into a is equal to minus 1. Okay student, we will put the value a, we already found it, a is equal to 1. So 1 minus b square into 1 is equal to minus 1. So if we solve the finally we will get the b square is equal to, this will be 2. So b is equal to plus minus under root 2. Okay student, so the value of a is 1 and where there are two values plus root 2 and minus root 2 of b.